In this video, we are going to talk about inner classes. In fact, inner classes can be defined and instantiated all inside the class or even within an expression. These inner classes could be a member class or a local class or an anonymous class. Let's look at member classes. Member classes are actually included in the class definition, just like your fields and methods. Okay, it could be either static or an instance. When I say static class, that static member class can be capable of accessing only static members. It could be a static variable or a static method. Whereas instance member class, it requires definitely an instance of that particular class to access the members of that class, right? And then the local class, a local class is defined within the code block, within the class code, right? Within the class open closed curly braces, you find a new class. That is what we call local classes. These local classes exist only during the execution of those methods. And the finally, anonymous inner classes. An anonymous inner classes is one that is not assigned with a name. Such classes actually created on fly. Of course, garbage collected when they are done. Okay, so they automatically assign some name like outer class name $1. So that's usually they assign with that name. This anonymity helps in eliminating unnecessary named objects. Besides, it makes the program more readable. Okay, or else we can say with the anonymous inner classes you can find less number of instructions in the program. Let's look at how can we create an inner class with the help of the previous program. Okay, let me write a program on this. Import java.awt.star, import java.awt.event.star, import java.applet.star. Yeah, public the class outer demo, let's say outer demo, which extends applet. Okay, within this I am going to implement public void init of initialization method. Okay, and of course here I am going to create a method class with the name inner extends mouse adapter. The earlier program I am going to write the same program. Okay, and of course within this I am going to implement public void mouse pressed or mouse clicked of mouse event space c msg equal to, let's say, site repaint off. Yeah, and of course in the initialization, so we have to declare this msg as a string object. Initially the value is null, and of course inside this we have to register with this mouse adapter. To do this we have a special function, special method called add mouse listener. Add mouse listener of new inner. So here no need of any constructor within this class. Directly we implement whatever function, whatever method, whatever methodology you want to implement. You want to implement mouse clicks, mouse clicked, mouse released, mouse entered, mouse exited, mouse moved, right? Whatever you want you can. So apart from that, we will create something called public void paint off. So graphics space g dot draw string of msg comma, let's say 50 comma 50. Yeah, Yeah, save this file with outerdemo.java. Now open this java c space outerdemo.java, notepad outerdemo.html, html, html, applet code equal to outerdemo.class, width let's say 500, height again 500 or 400. Yeah, let me save this and run the program. Applet viewer outerdemo.html. Whenever I click on this, it display a message called cited 50, 50 xy coordinate. Okay, so rest of the events are not being handled. Okay, when I entered the mouse, exited the mouse, double click the mouse, press the mouse, release the mouse, right? No, only one particular method actually implemented here in the outer demo, right? Mouse click. Yeah, this is how we can simplify the code with the help of inner classes, right? Now let's look at how to do it using anonymous class. In the anonymous class, it is very simple. No need of defining this name, this class name. We do all this stuff whenever we create the object, right? New mouse adapter of. New mouse adapter of. We have to write like this. Yeah. And then write public void mouse press. When I press the mouse event changes its state, object of mouse event changes its state, and of course here I am going to change the message as welcome to anonymous class demo. Yeah, and that's it. Yeah, call repaint method. Here it's an anonymous class where it simplify further. We are not actually giving the name for creating the object of name for a separate class. So whenever I create an object of this class, okay, on fly it created and this particular method got implemented. Yeah, any questions? Yeah, this is about anonymous classes.